Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up OBS Studio script so that you can be notified when OBS Studio accidentally pause the recording or stop the recording. So if you have never used OBS Studio, it's the best free and open source software for doing video recording, screen recording. So it's the software that I have been using for couple years now for doing screen recording of all my courses and video tutorials. Highly recommend if you have not tried out, if you ever need to create videos and share videos, lectures, tutorials to the users, this is something that you might want to try out. And I've been using this one for teaching in class. So in the past it was okay, but this semester I run into, I think at least twice now, that OBS Studio accidentally paused the recording. I don't know why. Maybe I accidentally press some keyboard shortcut or something. And then it paused the recording, and I didn't realize that until maybe 10-20 minutes later. So sometimes I miss maybe half an hour of the lecture. And it's very inconvenient because I have to go back to re-record the videos because the entire course, a lot of people are following on YouTube to follow this course. So I had to redo the recording and just taking too much time. So I spent some time yesterday figuring it out. Okay, you can actually have a notification when OBS Studio accidentally is paused so that you can resume the recording if needed. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you already have OBS Studio installed, you can just open it. If not, you can download this one and install it on a computer. So normally when I start recording, I will hide the taskbar. So I have a keyboard shortcut that can hide the taskbar. So the reason for that is I don't want to show I take too much space. And this is when sometimes when it was accidentally paused, I didn't realize that. When it's recording, you will see the red dot. When it's paused, you will see a yellow sign here. So right now I have a keyboard so I can resume the recording, and then I can also have stop. So these are all the keyboard shortcuts. I usually don't open the interface. If you want to change the keyboard shortcut, go to settings, and then from here, hotkeys. So start recording, I set as Control-Shift-1, and then post recording 2, 3, 4. So in that way, I don't have to open the interface. So you will not see the interface, OBS interface, OBS Studio interface when I'm starting stop recording. If you, for some reason, it actually stop, we might want to get the notification. So this is where you can go to the tools and then scripts. So this is so-called the LUA script. If you click this add button, it will take you to this file path. So this one is where all the scripts has been saved. So if you want, you can copy this URL and then you can open your file explorer. So right now I'm working on Linux. So let me move this one here. I can paste this URL here. So under the folder directory. So next, let's create a new script so that we can paste it and put it here. What you can do is just to open maybe any text editor. So I'm going to use, for example, the Kate editor comes with KDE. After that, you can copy the following content. I put the content in the video description below. So just copy this content, paste it. This one, if you want to change, so by default, it's going to have the notification stay for 5 seconds. If you need it to be longer, you can set this one to a large number. So this is milliseconds. So 5,000 milliseconds is basically 5 seconds. You can make it longer if you want. So for example, I change it to 10,000. So in this way, the notification will stay there for 10 seconds. And after that, just click save. So I'm going to save this one to this directory. You can copy this one again, paste, hit enter. So here you can just give a name, whatever name you like. So I'm going to say pause and then maybe notify.lua. Click save. Since this is saving to the system directory, so you need to enter your password so that you can use the sudo to access that. Okay, so now it's in here. Next, let's load this one to the OBS script. So click again, go to the tools, scripts, load the scripts, select the pause notify, and that's it. So now if for some reason, let's say assume this is not right now, let me close this one. So I'm teaching, I'm showing stuff, I'm opening this, and because the taskbar is hidden, so I didn't know that it's accidentally a pause for some reason. So right now I'm going to show you, I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+2. So you should be able to see this one here, lower right corner. Right now I have this OBS Studio recording pause because I set it as 10 seconds. So right now, 10,000 milliseconds. So it's going to stay there for a while. In this way, I got the notification, so I know, okay, something goes wrong. Now I need to resume the recording. So it's going to save me time. Otherwise, I miss the entire lecture and I have to redo it because I teach in class, and then I will do it offline when I finish teaching because the video was not recorded successfully. So this is something you can certainly do if you want to, and it's pretty cool. I didn't realize that they had this kind of functionality. So now I can close this one if you already resume. So here I can pause again, Ctrl+Shift+2. You will see anytime when it's paused, it's coming up. So this is a super cool feature. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you find it useful. I will see you in the next one. Take care.